Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Selviang Greni. I'm from University of Muhammadiyah Buton. So, have you ever wondered how government investment can stimulate economic growth in a city? Well, in this presentation, I will tell you about analysis of the influence of capital expenditure on the economic growth of Bobo City. According to Puput Waryanto, the government is expected to build infrastructure that can boost public productivity, thereby transforming Indonesia into a productive nation while enhancing its competitiveness of its people in the international market so that Indonesia can progress and rise alongside other ASEAN nations. Next, in introduction, I have 6 points. First is background. Economic development is crucial, involving growth and structural change, with economic growth as a key indicator for that nation development analysis. Next is capital expenditure. Defined as a spending on fixed assets, it plays a significant role in enhancing local government capabilities and driving economic growth. Next is objective to analyze the relationship between capital expenditure and economic growth in Bowo City from 2018 to 2022. Next is economic growth indicators. Economic growth is measured by gross regional domestic product or GDRP, reflecting the total value of goods and service product in a region with significant contribution from sectors like construction, trade, and agriculture. Next is impact of capital expenditure. The literature indicates that higher capital expenditure leads to increased economic growth with a multiplier effect on the regional economy. The last is research gap. Previous studies highlight a lack of conscious that on the significance of expenditure impact on economic growth, necessitating further investigation to Bobo City. The literature review. In this slide, I have definition of capital expenditure. Yes, capital expenditure refers to budget expenditures for acquiring fixed assets that provide long-term benefits, essential for local government investment and infrastructure and public services. Methodological approach. The study employs simple linear regression to analyze the relationship between capital expenditure and economic growth, emphasizing the importance of rigorous statistical testing for validation. Uh, Next, data collection. The study utilizes data from the Bobo City government's budget reports on capital expenditures and regional gross domestic product or PDRB for the years 2018 to 2022, sourced from the Regional Finance and Asset Management Agency or BPKAD and the Central Statistic Agency or BPS. Next is analysis techniques. In this slide, authors have three analyses. First is simple linear regression. This statistical method analyzes the relationship between capital expenditure as an independency variable and economic growth as a dependent variable. Two is classical assumption test. This test check for normality, linearity, multicollinearity, autocorrelation, and heteroscedasticity to validate the regression model. And the last is hypothesis testing. The t-test is employed to assess the significance of capital expenditures impact on economic growth. Next is key findings. Authors have three key findings. First is a significant positive correlation between capital expenditure and economic growth with a significance level of 0.000, indicating that increased capital spending leads to enhanced economic performance. Two is total capital expenditure during this period was approximately to 100 to 22 trillion with an average growth rate of 4.2006%. Economic fluctuation were not, particularly a decline in the growth during 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, emphasizing the importance of infrastructure investment of sustainable development. The next slide is discussion about comparison with prior research, limitation, and future research. First is the comparison of with prior research indicates that while previous studies like Amirullah found a positive but statistically insignificant effect of capital expenditure on economic growth in Aceh province, this study demonstrates a significant impact in Bawah City, highlighting regional differences. Two limitation includes a focus on a single city, which may not generalize to other region and potential data collection basis. Three is future research. Future research should explore broader geographical areas and consider qualitative factors influencing the relationship between capital expenditure and economic growth for more comprehensive insights. And the last is about conclusion and recommendation. The conclusion is capital expenditure significantly boosts economic growth in Bawah City, evidenced by a p-value of 0.000. And the recommendation is increase capital investment in infrastructure to promote sustainable economic growth and conduct further research across different regions to explore broader impact. So that's all for me. Thank you very much.